here comes the Smileys here. Right by the Canada Trust building. Looks like one's out of service, number 2. Remember your level P1 right now. It's coming down? Yep, it's coming down. This one might be out of service. So just bear with me, folks. P1. Look at this thing. On the floor?
4. Thank you.
You're welcome. Cold out there today, eh?
Sorry, I thought you were speaking on the phone.
No, it's pretty cold out there, isn't it?
It is cold. All of a sudden, it's cold.
Yeah, I think there might be a system coming in. Anyways, you have a great day, okay?
Oh, yeah. We don't go winter yet.
True that. You're welcome. Quick cab view before we get up to 5. Still looks pretty original except for the fixtures. Looks really nice. On 5. Might be a bit slow, but that's alright. All of it before it's long. Is there any bumper? No. Back to 1. They're closed. Capacity, hang on, let me see. Can't see it. 12 persons. 107 kilograms. Cottage! I'm guessing these might be originally Horn. Or Northern, I'm not too sure which one. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate it. Thanks. 1. Okay.